In this video we are going to set up Hermes Agent using Tailscale. Also we are going to change the root user of our VPS and enable HTTPS encryption so our connection is private and secure. We are not going to use Telegram for our agent communication. Instead we are going to set up more privacy focused application called Matrix. The first thing that you want to do is go and get yourself a VPS. So go to hostinggear.com, services, and click on VPS hosting. Here you can choose one of their plans. I'm going with this KVM2 plan. Click choose plan. On this page you need to fill up your information. Pretty easy. If you have a discount code you can use it. I'm going to use Hostinger10 for 10% discount. And basically you can choose your server location. I'm going to use Debian for this demo. Confirm. And just continue to check out and fill in your information over here. I already done this, so this is my VPS. This is the root access. You can copy this command and open a terminal. Paste this command. Say yes. And fill up your password. And as you can see, I'm already logged in into my root VPS server. Now, what we want to do is to create a new user, so we are not using the root. And also we are going to connect this server to Tailscale, so nobody have access to our information. We are going to hide it from the internet. All the commands from this video you can find in the blog post below. So let's create a user called agent. All right, choose password, retype your password. And we have created our user. Next thing that you want to do is add this user to the sudo group. So we're going to use this command, add user agent sudo. So now open another terminal. We want to create an SSH certificate so only us can connect to this machine. We are going to use this command ssh keygen, and we're gonna choose a name. Let's call it agent. Now let's choose password, same password again, and we have created our SSH key. So now we want to copy this SSH to our VPS, so go back to Hostinger and copy this IP over here of your VPS server. Go back to the terminal and paste this command. Hit enter, it's gonna ask you for your password. And now successfully we have copied this SSH key, so only us can log in to this machine. Now go back to the VPS. We want to disable password login, so I'm gonna use this command and change this password authentication to no. Hit command X, yes, and enter. Alright, now we have disabled password authentication. Next thing you want to do is to restart the SSH service. Now if we exit and we try to connect to the root to the auth IP, it's gonna tell that permission is denied because we need this public key. All right, so now we can use this command ssh agent with the IP. It's gonna ask for our password, and as you can see we are logged in as our new user agent. Now we have a secure connection, but we can make it even more secure using Tailscale. Now to install Tailscale, go to tailscale.com, click on download, and you can download Tailscale for your operating system. I have already downloaded Tailscale, and it's gonna ask you to log in and create an account. And as you can see, this is my machine. All right, now we want to connect our VPS to this Tailscale network, so it's secure and nobody else can connect to this VPS. To do so, click on Linux and copy this command over here. Go back to our terminal and we are going to paste this command. Fill in your password and it's going to install Tailscale on our VPS. Alright, Tailscale is up. Use this command sudo tailscale up, and it's going to ask you to verify your connection. Just copy this link and paste it in your browser. Sign in. And we have successfully logged in to our Tailscale network. Now, if you go to your Tailscale admin, you're going to see that our Linux machine is connected. Okay. The next thing that we're going to do is set up security firewall So we enable Tailscale. Let's call this Hermes, create. You go to edit, and here you're going to choose UPD, and the port range for Tailscale is 41641. Just click add rule, then go back and enable this firewall setting. Let's try if everything is working. Go to Tailscale and copy this IP address over here. Let's go back to the terminal, exit, and let's try to connect to our server. Are you sure? I'm sure. Type yes. And here we are connected. Everything is secure. We have set up a secure connection to our VPS. Last thing that you need to do is use this command sudo tailscale set operator agent, so you can add your username, password, and we are done. We have pretty secure connection now. Let's go ahead and install Hermes Agent. So go to the Hermes Agent GitHub and just copy this command over here, and it's going to install your Hermes Agent. And while we are waiting, you can go and subscribe and like this video. This motivates me to create more content like this. Okay, let's set up this agent. Let's go for a quick setup. Let's set up our model. So I'm going to choose OpenAI Codex, right? Copy this URL and just paste it. Now let's click continue. We need to copy this key over here. Continue. And we are all signed in. Let's choose GPT 5.4. A lot of people are using Telegram, but Telegram is not really privacy focused communication, so I'm going to use Matrix. Just click space, enter, and now it's going to ask you for the home server URL. We are going to paste the URL here. Now leave this empty because we are going to set up an account, and it's asking us for our user ID. Now go to matrix.org and click try matrix and open. Now what you want to do is to create account for your Hermes agent, and also later we are going to create another account for ourselves so we can communicate with our Hermes agent. So I already have created an account, but it's pretty simple. Just create your account. I'm going to sign in. After you log into your account, you need to click on settings, and this is your username. Copy this, open your terminal and just paste your username here. It's gonna ask you for your password, and if we want encryption, yes we want. Now here we are going to set up our username. This is allowed users IDs. So if somebody else tries to connect to your agent, Hermes is not going to respond to this username. Go back to Matrix and create another account that you're going to use for yourself. So go back to matrix.org, try matrix, open element. Here I have already connected to my OpenClaw agent, but now we want to connect to our Hermes agent. So go back to settings and copy your personal username and just paste it here. Leave this empty. We're gonna choose yes, and we're going to choose the system service. Now everything is set up. We need to start our agent Hermes, and here we are live. The agent is working. Now let's try this. To test this out, go to your Hermes agent account, start new conversation, and just copy this link. Go back to your personal account and just paste this link, click continue, and click here send direct message. So now we are connected to our Hermes agent. Let's try this out. Hi. Now our agent is not responding, so let's go back to our Hermes agent and tell him we have connected Matrix chat, but you are not responding there. Okay, so first it needs to create its skills. Let's choose add to permanent allow list. Okay, let's fix it now. So my agents just joined the room. Now, as you can see, Hermes agent fixed our connection with Matrix. All right, let's try this out. Let's say, hi, are you here? And as you can see, our agent is here, and we can start communicating with our agent. Let's tell him your name is Woogie and you are my personal assistant. And as you can see, our agent just updated its memory. Now his name is Woogie and it's our personal assistant. So this is the Matrix app, pretty easy to install. If you have any issues, just tell your Hermes agent, hey, I have issues communicating with you over the Matrix application, and it's going to set up your connection. Now over here, basically I have two agents. One is my OpenClaw, the other is my Hermes agent, and basically I can communicate with them over the Matrix application. I like this application because it's privacy focused, where Telegram is not really private because the bot can read all your messages. I forgot to mention that Matrix, they have a mobile application, so you can chat with your agent through your phone. This is for today's video. If you want to improve your skills, make sure to check out our AI Academy. Here is where I teach people how to use all these tools. I only work with a small group of people, so make sure you secure your spot inside the Academy. I'll be more than happy to connect with you and show you and teach you all this stuff. We have weekly calls where we gather and we build together. I'm helping you build different applications for your business or for your clients. So if you need help and more tutorials and insights like this, check out our AI Academy. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.